Hi friends, today we are discussing SOF IMO Science Olympiad Foundation Class 6 Question and Answers Part 1A SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024-25. Before that, kindly type in YouTube search @Iswaraya Vijay Kumar for getting new videos for education purpose and studying and updation purpose. SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024-25 6th Standard Question and Answers SOF IMO International Mathematics Olympiad Class 6 Question Paper Set C. First questions. Arrange the given words as they occur in the dictionary and select the correct options. Here, corner, central, command, control, comedy. Here option A, B, C, D is there. We will check the answers. Here the answer for first question is A. Option A 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Under the brief explanations, I given that 4 that a corner, central and command, control, comedy. Here I given that the first letter is C is there, and the second option is here O and control, here central is a C, E is the first priority, that alphabetic letter A to Z na, E is the first positions, and the second position is here comedy, here also E is there. The second is here also the third letter M, and here the fourth letter is E, that is the second positions, and the third one M, that is the third positions, and the fourth one is N, and the fifth one is here R. So finally we are getting answer 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. So the final option is A 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Here we are arranging that position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting the answer of option A. Under the brief explanations of corner, central and command, control and comedy. First step, look at the first letters. All letters start with C, so we proceed the same second letters. The second step, compare the second letter central E, comedy O and command O, control O, corner O. Since E comes before O in the alphabet, central is the first word. The order so far central is second. Step 3. Compare the words starting with CO. Now focus on the words with CO comedy, control and control corner. Look at the third letters. The comedy M, command M, control and N is the corner, R is M becomes N and R, comedy is next. Between command and comedy, the fourth letter will help us differentiate. So far the order is central to comedy. The step number 5, compare command and control. Command, fourth letter is M, control fourth letter is T. Since M comes before T, command comes from control, before control. Order so far, the central 2 and comedy 5 and command 3 and control 4. Step 4, the remaining word is corner. The final order is control 2 and comedy 2, comedy 5 and command 3 and control 4 and corner 1. The final option A answer is A 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. As I mentioned here, the same 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Based on the first, second, third and fourth positions we can arrange, we will get the final answer. Question number 2. The given questions consist of a set of 3 figures. X, Y and Z, which shows the sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select a figure from the options which shows the unfold form of figure Z. The option A, B, C, D is mentions X, Y, Z. The answer of this question is C. Hints, note hints, all sides same and designs only. Here you can see this one part of this 1/4 of part of the figure. Question number 3. Select a box from the options that is similar to the box formed when the given sheet of paper is folded to form a box. Here option is D. The note hints the opposite sign is a black triangle, opposite sign is art, and the triangle opposite sign is that astro. So the final answer is D. Question number 4. Which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship among the road transport, water transport and boats? The answer is D. Option D. Brief explanations. We need to analyze the relationship between road transport and water transport and boats. First, road transport is a category of transport that operate on roads. Example, cars, buses, bikes. Second, water transport is a category of transport that operate on water. Example, ships, boats. Point number 3. Boats are a type of a vehicle used specifically for water transport. Relationship. Boats are entirely within the category of water transport. There is no overlap between road transport and boats, as boats are not used for road transport. Road transport and water transport are entirely separate categories. The best Venn diagram representations are two circles Venn diagrams where one circle represents road transport and other represents water transport. Which boats entirely inside the water transport circle would be correct. If you describe the diagram is option A, B, C, D, the final answer is D. Question number 5. Meha walks 120 meter towards east, then takes a left turn and walks 60 meter. She then turns left again and walks 80 meters. She then takes a right turn and walks 40 meters. Finally, she walks 40 meters after turning her left. How far is she now from her starting point? Option A, B, C, D is there. The answer of this question is B, 100 meter. Some brief explanations of these questions. Let's determine the Meha's final position step by step. In step number 1, initial movement, Meha walks 120 meter towards the east. Correct position is 120, 0. The first left turn, she turns left towards the north and walks 60 meter. Current position is 120, 60. The second left turn, she turns left again towards the west and walks 80 meter. Current positions 120 minus 80, 60 equal to 40, 60. The right turns, she turns right towards the north and walks 40 meters. Current positions 40, 60 plus 40 equal to 100. The final left turn, she turns left towards the west and walks 40 meter. Current positions 40 minus 40, 100. It means 0, 100. Now Meha's final position is 0, 100. Her starting point is 0, 0. The megas find the positions 0, 100. The starting point is 0, 0. The distance between the 2 points is distance is root of 0, 0 minus 0 whole square plus 100 minus 0 whole square. 0 nothing but value 0 and 100 square is square root of cancel. We are getting 100 meters. The final answer is option B, 100 meters. Question number 6. Select a figure from the options which will continue the same series and as established by the problem figures. In problem figures, here is the option A, B, C, D, and the final answer is B. Hence, the right hand wide top corner 6 side cycling ring. In center 8 side cycle ring. Question number 7. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. The answer is option A. Note the hints. The outer side of the diagram is diamond square only. Question number 8. Find the number of squares formed in the given figure. Option A, B, C, D is there. Here answer is D, more than 11. Hence, the outer side of diagram is diamond square only. That also one type of square. Question number 9. If 7th day of month. Here question number 8. For discussion purpose I have given, and question number 9 option is D, of counting of here. Here in this diagram, here position is total. The outlet of diagram is first 1 square and inside 1, 2, 3, 4. Here outside diagram is 1 and position number 1. The total outside is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4. And here also the center part, this is 1 half, this is second half, this is third half, this is fourth half. 4 plus 4 8 and plus outer is 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13. So D is option more than 11. D. And question number 9. If 7th day of month May is Sunday, then what will be the second last day of the month? The option A, B, C, D is there. The answer is B, Tuesday. The brief explanations: if the 7th of May is a Sunday, we can determine the day of the second last day of May. 13th May is follow this. Step 1. Determine the numbers of days in May. May has 31st. It means 31 days. Second is the calculation the day for the 14th, 21st and 28th and 13th May. Since 7th May is a Sunday, and the same the 14th May is also a Sunday in 7 days later. Similarly 21st May is a Sunday and 28th May is a Sunday. Moving forward, 29th May is a Monday and 29th May is a Tuesday. So final answer is Tuesday. Here I mentioned that yellow color indicated for better understanding purpose. Question number 10. Select the odd one out. Option A, B, C, D is there. The answer is V, T, R. Option C. Brief explanations. To find the odd one out, let analyze the options. Logical look at the positions of the letters in the English alphabet and observe the patterns between them. The option A, S, Q, N, S, 19th letters, Q is 17th letters, N is 14th letter. Difference between S, Q equal to -2, Q and N equal to -3. The option be same like that, M, K, H, M. The 13th letter, K is 11th letter, H is 8th letters. Difference between M, K is equal to -2 and kh equal to minus 3. The option C, V, T or V, the 22 second and T is the 20th letter and R is 18th letter. Difference V, T equal to minus 2, T, R equal to minus 2. The option 2 is the same way, Y, W, T, Y, 25th letter, W is the 23rd letters and T is the 20th letter. Difference between Y, W equal to minus 2, W2 equal to minus 3. The yellow color, that is difference I mentioned here, that is minus 2 minus 2. Here the same way, minus 2 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 3. Here also minus 2 minus 3. Option A, B, D is the same and C is the difference. A, B, D have the pattern decreasing, so minus 2 to minus 3, but the different C is the V, T, R is a consistent pattern of minus 2 and minus 2. This is abnormal, so that's why the final answer is C, V, T, R. Option is C. Question number 11. Pointing towards a woman among said, she is the daughter of the wife of my grandfather's only child. How is that woman related to Amman? The answer of this question C is the sister. And the brief explanations to solve this, and we need the breakdown of relationship. My grandfather's only the child. The only child of Ammon's grandfather is Ammon's parent, either parent or mother. The wife of my grandfather has child. The wife of Ammon's parents is Ammon's mother. The daughter of the wife is of my grandfather's only child. The daughter of the Ammon mothers is a mother, Ammon's sisters. Therefore, the woman is Ammon's sisters. The final answer is sister. Point number 12. If a certain code language parrot is written as @ semicolon double two apostrophe and 3, and a snake is written like that 4C 15, then how will pigs be written in the same code language? The answer of this question is option D, add dollar and apostrophe 14. Here I mentioned for better understanding purpose, first parrot, the code number written here, P at and A, R 22 O and T 3. And the same like that snake 4 C 10 and not expected mapped. And pigs also the same, here P equal to at, okay, we mentioned at, and E also the same, here dollar, so did it mentioned in the map, so we consider we will take the new symbol code dollar. And A also the same, here also same pattern, here also same pattern, here also same pattern. And K is 10, I mentioned numerical number 10. And the same way S is 4, here T is 3, S is 4, the same code number I given is 4. So the final answer is at $10 4. The final option is D. Question number 13. Select the correct water image of the given figure. Here answer is C. Exactly, here triangle, triangle and circle. Here also that F water image. Exactly this C is matching in the diagram. Question number 14. In a class, Anantika ranks 18th from the top and 13th from the bottom. How many students are there in the class? Here answer is B, 30. Option is B is a 30. And the brief explanation, the total number of students in the class, what is the formula? The total number of students equal to rank from the top plus rank from the bottom minus 1. Given Anantika ranks 18th from the top and Anantika ranks 13th from the bottom. Now substituting these values in the formula, the total number of students 18 plus 13 equal minus 1 equal to 30. So the total number of students in the class is 30. Thus answer is B, option B, 30. And question number 15. Here is the selected figures from the options which will complete the given figure matrix. R, F, L and 4, 2, 2. V question N. Option A, B, C, D is there. Here answer of this option B, H. We find to determine the relationship between the letters in the first row R, F, L and the letters in the third row V question mark N, considering their positions relative to the second row 4, 2, 2. The possible pattern in the first column are corresponding to 4 and V is the positions of ahead of R is the alphabetic R plus 4 equal to V. In the second column F correspond of 2 and the letter corresponding of 2 positions ahead of F is H, F plus 2 equal to H. The third column L corresponding to 2 and N is the positions ahead of L in the alphabetic L plus 2 equal to N. So the letter of the second column represented by questions, this should be H. It means F plus 2 H in alphabet letter we are getting answer is H. Question number 16. Study the given factors tree and find the difference between 7th multiple of P plus Q and 9th multiple of P minus Q. The option A, B, C, D is there. Is number 96, 48, 24, 12, P 3 and 2 and 2Q 2, 2, 2. Here is a tree diagram is there. The answer of this question is B36 and the brief explanations. The factor of tree of determine the values of P and Q. From the tree P equal to 3 as shown in the bottom branch P into 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 2 equal to 12. 2 3s are 6 into 2, 12. Q equal to 2 as shown in the branch splitting of Q into 2 into 24, 2 into 24 equal to 48. They calculate the P plus Q and P minus Q. P plus Q equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. P minus Q equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Find the 7th multiple of P plus Q and the 9th multiple of P minus Q. The 7th multiple of P plus Q equal to 7 into 7 5s are 35, 7 into 5. And the 9th multiple of P minus Q equal to 9 into 1 equal to 9. They find the difference between this multiple 48. Here 48 minus 12 equal to 36. The final answer is 36, option B. Question number 17. How many of given letters have pairs of perpendicular lines? Your answer of this question is 3. And to find how many letters have pairs of perpendicular lines, we analyze the same shapes of each letters. F has perpendicular two lines, horizontal and vertical. M no perpendicular lines, all lines are slanted. A no perpendicular lines, the lines are slanted and the crossbar is parallel to the base. H has the perpendicular lines, vertical and horizontal. And I no perpendicular lines is consist as a single vertical line. And E has perpendicular lines, horizontal and vertical. The count of letter which perpendicular lines 3, F, H and E. So final answer is 3 letters, option 3, D. Question number 18. Which of the following Roman numeral represents the successors of the numbers shown on the abacus? Your answer of this question is option B, MMDCC LXIV. The brief explanations of these questions to determine the correct Roman numerical represents the successors of numbers shown on the abacus. Its breaks is down. Step 1. They interpret the number of the abacus. TH is thousands, 2 means 2000s, H is hundreds, 7 means 700, T is the tens, 6 is 60, and ones is 3 equal to 3. Unit is 1. The total number is 2760 plus 3 equal to 2763. Step 2. Find the successor of 2763 is 2764. They convert to 2764 as a Roman letter. 2000 means WM, MM here mentioned, and 700 is DCC, and 60 is LX, and 4 is new Roman letter 4. 2764 DCC LX IV. It means option B is the right answer. Question number 19. Which of the following is not an equivalent fractions of the unshaded fractions of the given figure? The answer of this question is D, 170 upon 240. Okay, the brief explanations of this questions is 19th questions. Let's calculate the unshaded fractions and determine the which option is not equivalent to it. Step 1. Determine the total and unshaded parts. There are 12 boxes in total. 2 boxes are completely unshaded. The remaining 10 boxes are 50% shaded and 50% unshaded. This means the unshaded part in this 10 box equal to 50% into 10 equal to 5 boxes. Thus, the total unshaded fractions is unshaded box 2 plus 5 equal to 7. The total fractions is unshaded 7 upon 12. Step 2. The similar of each options to see it matches in 7 by 12. Option A 105 upon 180. The same 105 upon 180 divided by 15 7 by 12. The option B also the same value 7 upon 12 we are getting. And option C also 56 upon 96 we are getting the same value 7 upon 12. If this is equivalent to 7 upon 12, the option D is 170 minus 240, but the different value is 170 upon 240. It means we are getting that 17 upon 24, 0 cancel, and this is not equivalent to 17 upon 24 equal to 7 upon 12. So answer is D is not an equivalent fractions of option. D is 170 upon 240 is the right answer. Question number 20. Which of the following is the greatest? Here option A, B, C, D is there. The answer of this question option C 200 more than minus 9475. The brief explanation of these questions. The result is option A minus 9754. Okay, the brief explanations. Let us calculate the each option by step. The first is the additions inverse of the sum 8395 and 1359. The first to find the sum minus 8395 inverse value of this both value and minus 1359 both their inverse value negative, we are getting final negative 9754. The successors of the numbers of the number plus is minus 99574 plus 1 equal to, we are getting minus the option the successor of 9 minus 9574. It means that value minus 9574, it means option B minus 9573. The option C is more than minus 9475. They added 200 to 9475, we are getting minus 9275. The option C is minus 9275. The sum option D, sum of 298 minus 0.9999. Add 298 minus 0.9999 and 298 minus plus into minus we are getting minus 9701. The comparison of result is option A is minus 9754 and B is minus 9573 and C is minus 9275 and finally the D is minus 9701. The greatest value of minus 9275, C is the right answers of 200 more than minus 9475. The final answer is C, option 200 more than minus 9475. Question number 21. In the given figure not drawn to scale AB equal to 18 cm and AC equal to CD equal to BD, find the length of the line segment EF if AE equal to EC and DF equal to FB. The answer of these questions B, 12 cm. We are given the following information: AB equal to 18 cm and AC equal to CD equal to BD, AE equal to CE and DF equal to FB. Find the value of step by step. First step, divide AB. Since the divided into the equal parts, AC equal to CD equal to DB, so AC equal to AC plus CD plus DB equal to 3. AC equal to 18 cm, we know it is mentioned in the questions. AC equal to CD equal to DB, 18 upon 3 equal to 6 cm. This step number 2, they calculate EF, AE equal to EC and DF equal to FB. AE equal to CE equal to AC upon 2 and 6 upon 2 equal to 3 cm. DF equal to FB, DB upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3 cm. EF equal to EC plus CD plus DF, 3 plus 6 plus 3 equal to 12 cm. The length of EF is 12 cm. The final answer is B, 12 cm. Question number 22. What fractions of these cars parking on Saturday to the total number of cars parking on the whole week? And the directions 20 to 23, the given bar graph show that the numbers of cars parking in the parking on the 7 days of particular week. They read the graph carefully and answer the following questions. The total number of cars parking 3000. Here mentioned in the diagrams numbers of cars and here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday days. The total number of cars parking is 3000. Question number 22. What fractions of the cars parking on Saturday are to the total number of cars parking to the whole week? Option A, B, C, D is there. The answer is A, option 1 upon 5. The fractions of car parking on Saturday to the total number of cars parked on Saturday equal to 600. The total cars parking 3000. The fraction is 600 upon 3000. So we are getting 1 upon 5. Answer is A. Question number 23. How many less cars were parked on Saturday and Sunday together than the total cars parking from Monday to Friday? The answer of this question option C is 1400. The brief explanations of this question is step 1, car parking on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is 600 and Sunday is 200. The total 600 plus 200 equal to 800. The step 2, car parking from Monday to Friday, Monday 400 and that Saturday plus Sunday. It means 600 plus 200 equal to 800. We are getting the Tuesday 600. Here in step 2, in step 2 in car parking from Monday to Friday, first we are getting Monday 400, Tuesday 600, Wednesday 250, Thursday 440 and Friday 500. Total the Monday to Friday is 400 plus 600, 250 plus 450 plus 500 equal to 2200. Step 3. The difference Monday to Friday cards started. Sunday 2200 minus 800. We are getting 1400. Answer C is 1400 is the right answer. Question number 24. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the given diagram? Option A, B, C, D is there. Here A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H, I, J and K, L. The answer of this question is C, 7. The A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. To determine the numbers of pairs of parallel lines, let analysis in the figure in question number 24. First, the horizontal line AB, CD are parallels and the vertical line EF, GH, IJ, KL are parallels, and the pairs of parallel horizontal lines AB that parallel CD is one pair. Pairs of parallels vertical lines and EF, GH, EF, IJ, EF and KL, GH, IJ, GH, KL, IJ and KE 6 pairs. The total pairs 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Final answer is 7, option C. Question number 25. The given figure is formed by three squares P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the sides of square ABCD. RP and SQ intersect at the point O. If W, X, Y and Z are the midpoints of RO, OQ and OP and OS respectively, then find the area of unshaded regions. Here option A, B, C, D is there. The answer is option A, 64 centimeter square. The brief explanation of this question is given. First, the square of ABCD and the side of 16 centimeter. Second point is PQRS are midpoints of the sides of square ABCD. The lines RP and SQ intersects of point O. WXYZ are the midpoints of segment RO, OQ, OP and OS. We need to calculate the area of unshaded regions. In solutions, in the area of large squares of ABCD, area equal to side square equal to 162 equal to 256 per centimeter square. Shaded region. The shaded regions are triangles or quadrilateral forms symmetrically in the square. Do not symmetry. The unshaded positions is composed of smaller synthetic polygons in the centers. The total unshaded area, since P, Q or S are midpoints, the lines RP and SQ divided the squares into symmetric parts. The unshaded one portions corresponding to the total area of squares unshaded area 1 into 256 equal to 64 centimeter square. Option is A, 64 centimeter square. And kindly type in YouTube search @ Vijay Kumar for getting in part 2A. The 25 questions I released, the remaining I will release in part 2, and kindly subscribe this channel for getting next new educational video. For furthermore contact us. For Olympiad classes I given my address and contact details. And kindly subscribe these channels for getting new next educational video for part 2. And thanks for watching this video, and any doubt means put the comment box. Thanks and thank you for watching this video.